tricky, but forming the sentences and thoughts, it may help you a lot in English to improve your. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Tanvita's World. In today's video, we are going to learn some productive information to get the fluency. Practice on fluency. If you practice some particular skill, you will be able to get better result on that, right? Everyone knows, but we can't able to follow that consistency. That's why we are not able to talk with anyone. If you practice 1 day, 2 days or 3 days, then fourth day you have a lot of work or a hectic schedule or otherwise doing unnecessary things, then your practice will be slow down. We can't able to get the confidence. We always practice on one particular language or skill, it will be easy to talk anyone. If you stop at the some time, you can't able to get that much of result. It's need the consistency in every day. Okay, for example, I am telling about me. If I am practicing 1 day, today in English, I talk with native speakers and surrounding people, everyone. After that, tomorrow I can't able to talk with anyone because I don't have any people or nearby me. Otherwise, I am not interested in that. Otherwise, I am hectic schedule. Because of hectic schedule, I can't able to talk with anyone. And third day, I am able to talk with anyone without fear, because this is the second language. We don't know words, content in our minds, right? I can't able to talk with anyone because of lack of practice. So every day practice is need. If you want to fluent in English, you should practice. So I am going to share you 5 best tips to improve your English. So you have to practice on it. You have to focus this video till the end, so that you will be find some information. If you follow 5 tips every day, you will be able to get better result and unlimited opportunities you will get in your life. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First one is speak in English. Developing fluency requires constant and consistent practice is needed for getting result on English language. It is the best if you talk native speakers in English. If you can't, you should practice on nearby your friends or family members. Otherwise, you have to talk to yourself. Just pick it up one topic and think about it for a while. Keywords and idioms. Just take it all the things and think about for a while, at least 5 minutes about the particular topic, and speak out. Remember one thing. Everyday practice on particular topic or talk with your native speakers or your friends. It is needed for getting the result. For example, if you doing everyday different works, today one work is done and tomorrow is the another different work. You don't know anything about that. Third day also you don't know anything about that work. You can't able to get it. And fourth day, can you able to do your work? It's a different work. Without anyone help, no, right? Like this only English also. When you practice on every day, at least 5 minutes or 10 minutes, how much time you have, just practice it. Other than that, you can't able to get the result without constant practice. So you need to practice every day. Second one is repeat what you hear native speakers says. If you are watching one video or any public speaking presentations or any workshops, when you will attend it, just listen carefully. Or watching video, for example, you are interesting about that, Just listen carefully with a pleasant mind. Focus on it, eye contact, and what speaker says, and which type of words they are using. Just think about it. You should focus on it, pronunciation, cadence, and then rhythm. How they are speaking, how they are using eye contact, how they are using body language. You should focus on it, everything. After that, you should to take a chance and record yourself and play it, that exact video what you have done before. Are you able to get the exact fluence? I am reaching the same thing as it is possible speaker says or not. Rhythm, pronunciation, you should check it, all the things where you are making a mistakes. And one more thing, you should check it, body language. Everything you have to check it. And remember, when you done any mistake for comparing speakers about you, then check it and rectify that first. Then next you have to make a record it and check it. Doing like this. And third one is use conversations. If you have a chance to talk with anyone in a conversation, particular conversation, or you have a lot of websites are there, use it first. Number of people are there in websites to learn English language. Native speakers also is there. Just choose one website and involve it. Best conversations. And you have a fear at the starting stage, but you have to involve it. Take a chance and involve it. You don't know anything, just involve it. If you have just little bit, you know that, right? Just involve it. By involving only, you will get a lot of confidence and content. Without I don't know that about that topic, so I can't able to learn. I don't know anything, so I want to quit here itself. I don't want to join any conversations groups. Don't think like this. If you want curious to get fluency in English, you should involve it each and every place. Get the chance and involve it. Without your effort, you can't able to get any result. It's take time. You need to learn. Conversations is some best thing to improve your speaking skills, and you will be able to get good communication skills also by using conversation skill. Fourth one is listen to other people speaking in English. Just if you have a native speakers nearby your surroundings, you should listen their words and their pronunciation and rhythm and body language, everything. Just you should involve it in that and get the fluency in your life. Everyday practice and talk with native speakers. What they are saying, what they are explaining, how they are explaining, just everything you should observe it. It's the best opportunity for you to, if you have nearby native speakers is there. Utilize the opportunity and learn English from them. You will be able to get mistakes, but they are rectifying it. If you involving in a conversation or anything, they will rectify your mistakes and learn from them. And what they are saying, what they are explaining, everything you should be observe it. It may take a lot of time to learn English, but you should practice it. Hard work is need, at least little bit, for improve your communication skills to get best speaking skills. You will be able to get a good speaker in your future. When you follow the tips and techniques every day. And last one but not least one is think in English. If you are doing any work, doing some curry in a kitchen, or any work, just think about in English only. Guys, it may tricky, but forming the sentences and thoughts, it may help you a lot in English to improve your speaking skills. So you have to think in English. For example, you are going in a office, then think in English. I am get out the door and get into the correct bus and reaching to the working place. Like this, you should think about it in English only, rather than think about in English in native language. You should think everywhere in English. Whole day you should think in English and watching English, and make it your mobile phone, all the apps and everywhere in English language only, so that you will be find in English words and English sentences. Some sentences are will come and everything, just focus on it. If you got any interesting word, a difficult word, just make a note of it in your notebook, and use that exact word in daily basis lot of times. When that exact word useful for you, use it in daily basis. Okay, these 5 tips will help you to improve English language. First one is speak in English, and what negative speakers are saying, think about it, and involving in conversations. And fourth one is listen to others saying, and fifth one is think in English. Always think in English, guys, if you want to get better result in your life. These 5 tips will help you a lot to improve your communication skills. Focus on it. And if you find any information, best information in this video, please give me one like. Thank you so much for watching my videos. We will meet on next interesting video. Till then, take care. Bye. Thank you.